Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. Today's date is 13th of January 2018, and I'll be covering the trades happen on this last Friday. So here you have the trade result over here on the Nifty. We had a 13,500 trade profit here, and in Tata Steel we made a profit of 4,000 for the day. So we had a good day at the end of the week. Basically, throughout the week, Nifty was not performing that well. We were moving on a break-even situation most of the days, and finally, at the end of the day of the week, the account turned on. Now, let me just go ahead with a few trades with you guys that we have done throughout the week. First of all, let me just talk about the Tata Steel, and mostly we'll be talking about Tata Steel trades today. Now, in the Tata Steel, let's go back to the first chart of the free channel here. This is a free public channel, so if you're not there, you can come in. The link is given in the description. Okay, so this is Tata Steel chart we have, and throughout the week, as you can see, we have been moving in this overall flat market structure, right? So there are a couple of selling and buying opportunities on this area itself. So many opportunities over here, as well as for the buying side. You can see the support is always responding. If you just leave this false break here and the false break here, this was a bit tricky to play. Still, there were a lot of good moves over these false breaks too to get into the channel in the trades. But still, if you just leave these false breaks over here, still you have so many opportunities to trade this overall channel, and this channel is still intact. So this was the channel I shared in the morning with you guys, and I was saying trade this channel, right? Oh, what is this? Yeah, trade the range, guys, in and out. So we did the same. We just traded the top, we just traded the bottom, because the price was still inside the range. So this is the chart you can see here, and for the day, this was the top, this was the low, still moving inside the range itself. Now, if you see my member section, I've been doing the same thing here. The chart I have shared with you guys. So this is our 0.1 level. So here in this area, we'll try our shorts, and in these areas we'll be trying our long over there. And if it's a major false break kind of thing, then there are some other things to look ahead for the market. Now, in this trade, if you see the midline, there is a midline in between. So you can still trade that midline at the same time. If you're following my channel, the videos, then I have already discussed with you guys, inside a big channel, there are key levels staying inside. All right, so you can trade the channel tops and the bottoms, but at the same time, you can trade the insider things as well, right? From here to this move, from this move to this move, from this move to this move. And also a lot of intraday trading opportunities you can find out if you can dig out in the intraday time frame charts over there. Let me see the Tata Steel trades left on. What is it? Okay, so these are the few Tata Steel trades we did for the day. So we have been trading the top of the channel, we have been trading the bottom of the channel here, as well as we have been trading the midline of the channel, as you can see. So overall we had 5 trades, and also we had one more trade triggered over there, but that was the again the closing time, so we didn't initiate that trade over there, right? So this is the midline here, you can see, and look at the price action momentums of the midlines here. There are false breaks happening over here. So we had a trade on this breakdown, then we had a trade on this pullback, pushing back up towards the, even though it's raising from the support level over here towards the resistance level over here, but you have you have this midline in between. So you never know. If you see the price action is working out on that particular area, then why not going ahead with that? All right. So this was a fantastic week for the Tata Steel, and we didn't have to think so much for this, because this is where we have been living for the entire week. So you don't need to think twice for drawing the lines and all. Yeah, there are some reasons, there are some areas where you need to define the key levels in between the range, but in playing the overall range was fantastic. Even we had multiple positional trades over here also, which was even profitable in there. So in the positional trades, we do like you just see the market once a day, and you know the levels to play, and that's it. Don't look at the market throughout the day. So even if you're going for that kind of trades, still you see the tops and bottoms, you're making money. Buying and selling, and buying and selling is just respecting the channel itself. All right. So let's see how it moves for the next week. Till the time this channel is not broken, we'll be playing the same channel, tops, bottoms, midlines. Okay. Now, let me just share a few Nifty charts, and then I'll just stop this. So for the Nifty, this week was in here. It was a pretty volatile market for the week. All right. Again, in Nifty also, if you just go through the free channel update, where is it? Yeah. So do you see the marked level here? This is a support level. See, these are simple price action. You don't need to be an expert to find it out. From here, price goes up, 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 up. Simple things. There was a false break over here. Again, you see the price again started respecting the same area of key level here, right? So these are our support level, as well as we have these resistance areas over here. There is a false break over here. Then the price is coming back into the channel, so you can trade a breakdown what we did. All right, so we traded a breakdown below this channel here, as well as a reversal from this channel here. And in this traveling from here to here, we played the key levels inside. From here to here, we played the key level towards upside. Simple trades, right? Nothing complicated. Let's see if I can show you some. So this was our plans for the day. This 1, 2, 3 and the levels. Then during the day we found this trading zone over here, right? So we started thinking that okay, we'll trade the breakout or a breakdown of this trading zone. But even after a breakdown, the price didn't really worked out properly, because we had a key support level over here, which is an intraday support level. And if you're not seeing the intraday charts, you will miss it. And then gradually we formed these triangle formations. Again, it was like playing that channel bottoms over here. The channel bottom formed in here, and then the breakdown and this formation is in here. So again, it was like a bull and bear fight going on over there. Even we traded this breakout, which really failed afterwards. And these are a few trades you see here. We have been trading the resistances, right? Then there was a midline, and we have been trading the midline breakouts and pullbacks. And then this is the overall key support. You have the range bottom support you have, where we had these multiple trades. Oh, sorry, no, this is a TATASTEEL chart, right? Yeah, sorry. This is a TATASTEEL chart. So TATASTEEL things I was explaining, not the Nifty one. So let me see the Nifty. Okay, so these are the Nifty trades we had. And as well here also, we had some trades over here. So from on this resistance, we triggered a trade, and then here we it's written over here as well. We made 4R over here, and then the support was traded, and then this was being traded here. Let's see. Yeah, then also we've been trading this pushback. I mean, from the bottom support zone when the price turned up, and then the higher high low started forming. Then we've been trading these pullbacks. The one mistake I did is that in this the price was really volatile. So in market we have a non-volatile and volatile structure. Whenever our trend is trending, then we need to take care of the volatility, whether it's a volatile trend or it's a non-volatile trend. But I really didn't take care of that thing, and that is the reason basically a few stop losses were hit over here. But finally, we made good amount of money. But those are the areas I need to improve gradually. So next is okay. Oh, there is something. All right. So the final thing I just want to share with you guys is that if you just take one trade, which is in Nifty, what is it? Oh, sorry. This is your Nifty chart. This is your Nifty chart, and in the overall market, this was the key level to trade basically for the day, because this area is much more clear. Even though you missed this breakdown, I mean, there was a false break. This was also a pretty easy trade, and this was a trade. The Friday was a day to remember. Basically, that's a day we all traders, we expect every day to happen. The kind of volatility, it came down up to here, then again pushed back up towards where it started really. So a lot of volatility was there, and we got a lot of chances to play towards downside as well as towards upside using the same level of key layers. So you see the exact level has reacted over here. This was the level we've been talking about. Oh, sorry, this is not a, this is a spot chart. And this is, I think I posted future chart, right? Yeah, this is a future chart. All right. So I don't have the future charts open right now, but this is the level where, from where it really reacted exactly. Let me see if I can find this in the members section. Yeah, so this is the support you see, right? This is support you see here. And let's see where it right out. Yeah, no, again, this data is still, so. Yeah, so you see this, look at this. You know, this was a support level, which is being tested. Price coming back down here and a push back up, and again coming back down here and a push back up over there, right? So this is a good level to trade. And you see, there's not a major false break happening over there as well, even though we didn't initiate our trade over here. But this is a good level to trade for the positional trades. For the positional trades, not for the intraday trades mostly, because in intraday we have been falling drastically over here, and after seeing a pullback from this support level, then this is not expected that the price again coming back and breaking down the support. So we have not been trading this support level as such for the intraday purpose, and we have started trading it once, when we have seen that this kind of sell-off is happening with a strength, then we want to see that whether the market is getting stable on the support areas or no. And once we have seen that, okay, the price is getting stable, and now how you see the stability of the price when you allow the price to breathe for some time. So this was the last lower high, and let the price move, evolve, and break the structure overall. And once it starts breaking the structure and you see some kind of reversal is really happening, that shows you some strength that, okay, now the price is getting stable on this support level. The momentum, the sell-off momentum is really ending up. So those are the few things we have been looking for this. But anyways, for the positional trade, this was an amazing trade. We made around 5 times of whatever we risked on this here, because this was not a major false break. Basically, this is a minor false break, and trading a minor false break is amazing. All right. So I think I've shared a lot of gems with you today in the price action things. And I wish that you guys also make money with this price action concepts. See, guys, there are a lot of people, making price action complicated. This is not a complicated thing to learn, thing to trade. The more you make it complicated, the more you will be losing money. Keep it simple. Use your common sense. Use your common psychology. And try to see it with your normal eyes, with your normal IQ, normal common sense, and all. I'm not showing you something magical or something tough to generate. This is, any eye can say this. It goes up from here, it goes up from here, it goes up from here, goes up from here, goes up from here. 4 times it went up. There was a major false break, all right, but again it goes up, and again the same level is in play, all right? So why not taking the same trade over there? So this is simple price action. You don't need to think so much. You don't need to you don't need to think like technical analysis you are doing, technical analysis in the stock market. It's nothing like that. It's pretty simple, all right? Thank you so much for your time here. Again, every time I think like I'll be making the videos for 5 minutes, but it goes more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So sorry for that. I'll see you guys on the next lesson, next trading for a living series, guys. Thank you.